Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you all so much for coming back. I know it's been ages since I upload a video. I'm so sorry about that. So in today's video, I'll be showing you all how I make this delicious black soup recipe. So the first thing I'll be doing is to boil my meat. So I'll be using some turkey for this recipe. So I'm just going to boil this meat because I need the meat, like turkey stock. So I'll go ahead and season my meat with some curry powder, and I'll be adding in some salt, some store cube, and some ginger. There's a cube ginger, I made it myself, so that's how I freeze my ginger. I'll leave the link in the description box on how you can freeze your ginger. So now the turkey is boiling, so I just need the stock for this recipe. While the turkey is boiling, I still have some other turkey in the oven. I just need a baked turkey. So moving on, I'm going to blend all my leaves. So in here I have different kinds of, I think I have 4 different types of leaves, like green vegetables. So I'll just put the names in the description box down below. And I also have some fresh mint. I have some onion, habanero peppers, and habanero peppers, onion, and I add a little bit of crayfish. So I'm going to blend this until it's very smooth. So now once the leaves are all blended well, nice and smooth, so I'm going to be transferring it into my turkey stock, this turkey stock that I made. So I'm just going to add the blended vegetables to the turkey stock. So this is where all the magic happens. So this soup is really good. It's very delicious, it's nutritious, and it's and healthy soup. So I'm going to be adding a little bit of palm oil. You can skip this if you want, but just need just a little bit. You can even taste the palm oil that I added, so because it's a little bit, so just add a little bit of palm oil. Then I'm going to stir it up and allow this to cook for about 10 minutes. So I'm just going to cover this and allow it to cook for about 10 minutes. So here it's my baked turkey and some catfish that I already baked in the oven. So 10-15 minutes later, so I'm just going to stir it up. If you don't want yours to be too thick, you can add some more water. Okay, so this is the texture I want, so I'm not going to be adding any water. So now I'll be adding in my fish. So you have to add the fish at the end because you don't want it to break into the soup. So I'm going to be adding the fish and some of the turkey that I already baked. So I'll be adding some fish powder. You need a lot of fish powder. So in here I'll be adding my store cube now, so because it's already almost done. So I'm going to be adding the store cube at the end. So go ahead and taste for salt. If you're going to be adding any more seasoning to your food, go ahead and do that. So I'll be adding some Cameroon pepper. So if you don't like spicy food, you don't have to add this Cameroon peppers, okay, because one of the vegetable is actually spicy. So here I just saw this shrimp in my freezer, so I'm just going to be throwing that into my pot. So I'll allow it to cook. So at this point, just allow, because you add the shrimp, just allow the shrimp to cook a bit, I think about 10 minutes, and your soup is ready, guys. It's so easy and delicious. You can enjoy this with some pounded yam, you swallow, any swallow of your choice. You can even eat it with rice because it's so super good. So guys, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you've not done so already, and don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. I'll see you on my next video. Thank you all so much for coming back, and compliments of the season. Thank you and God bless. Bye.